Hello guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. We got the ending to the first season anyway of Amazing Digital Circus, and we got a new character, Ribbit, very important character to Jax's storyline. So let's draw her. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Frog, little frog, big eyes, and eyelashes. So it's like two big ovals sort of here, right? So we'll just start. These big oval eyes. Big froggy eyes. Okay. And down the bottom, they might be a bit thicker because of her eyelashes down here. So it's kind of like an egg. And do that over here as well. Just thicken this side up a little bit. Okay, so eyelashes, right? So they're kind of like these little squares sticking out here, or rectangles. Just coming out the bottom of her eye. Same on this side. Boom, 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 boom. Right, so in there we have this shape again, sort of for the pupil, but it has a triangle sort of taken out of it. It's kind of like you're drawing Pac-Man, right? So you got like this little V sort of there, and then you loop that around, right? So you'll go like that. So a little V, loop it around. And they're just colored black inside. Da, da. Right, so then just above we have the green of her eyebrow, or her brow, I'd say, that's what we call it. Same on this side then. Down around her eye. And they're joined with the middle of her head there. And then her round face going all the way down this way. She's got some pink cheeks, just lightly drawn in here. And then a little sort of smirk, like that. And then we got the sort of paler frog skin. Just coming around here. And then floating eyebrows, so just these black sort of spikes going down that way. And one on the other side. Right in her neck. So her body's kind of turned this way. She's looking at us, but the body is turned the other way, right? So her neck is like that. And then we get her sort of shoulder going down this way. And then an arm. And her back. We have that little bow tie that she has, just here in the center. And then her other shoulder, and arm, and body. So the body goes that way. Let me just see her arm sticking out there. And then she has the pale green that side. Doo-doo-doo. All right, Ribbit from Amazing Digital Circus finale. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.